Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna, everybody.
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna.
Welcome to the class, dear.
Today I can't come on to the class.
How's everybody doing?
Good.
Good.
Good?
Yeah. I'm painting my pot right now.
Mataji, today I tie-dyed shirts.
Oh, nice.
What
That's
is-
a tie-dye shirt. You also did one time, right?
Oh yeah, I also did tie-dye
Yeah.
shirts.
That's a very fun thing to
After
do.
class, I'm going to wash them and then dry them and I can wear them.
Yeah, nice. That's fun, actually. I love that. Very nice. So let's everybody start with the prayers, okay?
Okay.
Om
तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः चैतन्यमनोभीष्टं
स्थापितं येन
भूतले स्वरूपकदामह्यं ददाति
Radha
सहगणा रघुनाथान्वितां अद्वैतं सावधूतं परिगुणासुरं चैतन्यदेवं श्रीराधा कृष्णपदान् सहगणा ललिता श्रीविशाखान्वितांश्च श्रीकृष्णा करुणा सिन्धु गोपेशा गोपिका कान्ता राधाकान्ता नमोस्तुते कांचना गौरंगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी कृष्णानो
देवी
हरि वंशकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो नित्यानंदा श्री गदाधारा
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.
श्रीला प्रभुपाद की जय, श्रीला गुरुदेव की जय,
जय.
all Vaishnav children की जय. So, thank you so much for joining Ayansh, Tarini, Avani, Prahalad, Raghav, Shamagari, Soumya, Munish, Tanvi, and Krishna. It is so pleasure to see you all, and you all are every day so much dedicated to learn Krishna's song of God, Bhagavad Gita. So, we are on chapter 17 end. Tomorrow will be the last day to end this chapter. And let everybody join, then I can announce certain more things. So let's see what Krishna is talking about in verse number. Yes. So we are at what verse? Can someone tell me, please?
25 and 26.
Yes, we are at verse 25 and 26. So let's see. Yesterday, do you all remember we discussed that performances of sacrifice, charity, and penance, according to scriptures, begin with Om. Do you all remember we discussed yesterday that Bali Maharaj was giving the charity of 3 steps of feet, 3 feet of land, right? 3 steps to Vamanadev, and he had to speak Om. His guru reminded him of word.
Sukracharya said.
Yeah, even the Shukracharya. It was a whole long story.
He said that. Did you not say Om?
Yes, Om. So Om actually means Vishnu, and Tat, Om Tat Sat. Tat means that. and Sat means truth, eternal, right?
What
Which
does that
truth?
mean?
Eternal, eternal. My meanings, let's put it this way. In a simple words, I would say, what is truth? What is eternal? Is this material world truth, or is Krishna eternal and truth?
Like the truth of
Krishna, eternal truth.
Yes, right? Our relationship with Krishna is also eternal. So, word Sat means truth, eternal. Of course, it has much more deeper meaning, but simple meaning we can say, like how Krishna is eternal, right? And Om means Vishnu. So now in verse number 25, Krishna is saying, without desiring fruitive results, so not desiring anything in return, one should perform various kinds of sacrifice, penance, and charity with the word Tat. The purpose of such transcendental activities is to get free from material entanglement. See, we all are here in material world, right? And life after life, according to our desires and karma, the actions we perform, we have to keep taking birth, right? You all remember a couple of times we have discussed that every soul has to go through birth
and death.
Yes, but in between birth and death is what? Birth, disease, old age, and death.
Youth,
Disease.
and
also
Yes.
disease.
So, yes, so in this material world, so this material world is like a net in which the fishes are trapped, right? How a fisherman catches the fishes in a big number, he throws his big net in the ocean.
that's in Uddhav Gita.
Yes, and what happens? All the fishes get entangled,
Yeah.
fishes get captured.
Like
Similarly, we all are here captured in this material world, right?
if we take the
But-
if we take the shelter of the lotus feet of the Guru, then we can
Yes. Yes. So here, if we perform sacrifices, penances, charities with this Om Tat Sat, what happens? We can get free from material entanglement, right? We can get out from this material world and go back. Go back where? Back to Godhead, back to spiritual world, and be with the Lord and continue doing our devotional service. So the main point here is without desiring fruitive results. We should not do Ekadashi just because we want some material benefit out of it, or we have some desire, right? One of the example. We should not give charity thinking, oh, I'll give $1,000 to this place, or even for Krishna consciousness. But in return, they will announce my name. They will say, wow, Mataji donated so much money. Or I should not be serving in the temple with the mindset that in return, everybody will praise me. Everybody will give me fame and name. Do you all get it? So we should not have any material desires in return, fruitive results and desires. So one should be careful. Similarly, we have been discussing, right? That charity, penance, and sacrifice should be in the mode of goodness without expecting anything in return. And verse 26 and 27 is actually combined. Maybe we can discuss some tomorrow, some today. But let's see what Krishna is saying. The absolute truth is the objective of devotional sacrifice. And it is indicated by the word Sat. Sat is absolute truth, the eternal. The performer of such sacrifice is also called Sat, as are all works of sacrifice, penance, and charity, which true to the absolute nature are performed to please the Supreme Person, O son of Pritha. Krishna is saying the purpose of all these three should be only to please the Supreme Lord, that with our endeavor, with our little bit of effort, the Supreme Lord should be pleased. That should be the only motive. Right? We should not think, oh, I will do this little bit of devotional service. In return, I will ask Krishna for good grades. I'm going to the school, but I want very, very, very good grades. Of course, we can pray for good grades, but our ultimate motive should not be, oh, I'll do this and in return I'll get this. Right? Our purpose to do any kind of devotional service also should be only to please the Lord. Right? Any kind of devotional service you all do, right? Even when you go to temple or devotees come to your house, any kind of service, this is beyond sacrifice, penance, charity, but anything you are doing, right? The objective should be that by me doing this little service, I hope Krishna gets pleased, right? I hope I'm able to please the Lord. That should be the only motive. Instead of thinking, maybe adults, of course, you all are kids, adults might think, oh, I want a car, I want a big house, I want an office, I want a bigger job, I want this, I want that, right? Do you all remember we discussed the austerities performed by Hiranyakashipu? Right? Such a severe penances he performed, right? But was his purpose to please the Lord?
No.
To please the Supreme Lord? He tortured his body, and then after some time, when he got the boon from Brahma, he started torturing other people's body. Right?
That's really annoying.
So that kind of austerity, what kind of austerity is that, right? We discussed all that, right? So we can discuss a little bit more about Om Tat Sat tomorrow with verse number 27. But the point here is whether you are doing some service as a cooking, or you're helping in the Lord's temple, or any kind of work to spread the glories of the Lord, right? This should be performed with the word Om Tat Sat, and also for pleasing the Lord. So these supreme words Om Tat Sat are used in many ways to perfect all activities and make everything complete. So that is what is Om Tat Sat. So let's go for our shloka quickly, okay?
Krishna, shloka time.
Verse number 25. Okay, so we're going to join second and third word in verse number 25, okay? Tad itya.
Tad itya.
Tad ityana.
Tad ityana.
Tad ityana.
Tad ityana.
Tad ityana bhisandhaya.
Tad ityana. Tad ityana.
Tad ityana bhisandhaya.
Tad ityana.
Tad ityana bhisandhaya.
Tad ityana.
Tad ityana bhisandhaya.
Tad ityana.
Tad ityana bhisandhaya. So anabhisandhaya, do you see this big word? Anabhisandhaya means without desiring. Shamagori, beta, you have a lot of background noise. Beta, can you move to a different room maybe? Is it okay, Shamagori? Because I want to hear your voice. I want to hear you speaking the shlokas, but I just do not want the background noises. So I want you to be unmute. Okay, beta? If you can move somewhere else. Yes, now there is no noise at your end. Perfect. Thank you, Shamagari, beta. Tad ityana bhisandhaya.
Tad ityana bhisandhaya.
Very good. Tad ityana bhisandhaya.
Tad ityana bhisandhaya.
Phalam yagya.
Palam yagya.
Phalam yagya.
Palam yagya.
Phalam yagya tapah kriyaha.
Palam yagya tapah kriyaha.
Phalam yagya tapah kriyaha.
Palam yagya tapah kriyaha.
Phalam yagya tapah kriyaha. Raghav, speak loudly. I cannot hear you properly, beta. Phalam yagya tapah kriyaha.
Palam yagya tapah kriyaha.
Palam yagya tapah kriyaha.
Palam yagya tapah kriyaha.
So everybody knows now what is phalam. Phalam means what? The fruitive results, fruits, right? Yagya, everybody knows yagya? Yes.
Sacrifice.
Yes. Then tapaha. Tapaha means what?
Austerity.
Austerity.
Kriyaha. Kriya means actions, activities, right? Very good. Dana, do you all remember dana? Dana means what?
Charity.
Charity.
Yes.
Charity.
Later. Very good. Bus. Rest later. Okay. Dana kriyashcha vivid. Okay, sorry. Tad ityanabhisandhaya.
Tadityanabhisandhyadya.
Alam yagya tapah kriyaha.
Palam yagya tapah kriyaha.
Dana kriyashcha vividhaha.
Dana kriyasya cha vivadana.
Vividhaha.
Vivadana. Vividaha.
Dana kriyashcha vividhaha.
Dan vidyasya vividana.
Dana kriyashcha vividhaha. Everybody is doing so nicely. Dana kriyashcha vividhaha. Dana kriyashcha vividhaha. Kriyante mokshakangshibihi. Kriyante mokshakangshibihi. Kriyante mokshakangshibihi. Kriyante mokshakangshibihi. Kriyante mokshakangshibihi. Very good. Kriyante mokshakangshibihi.
Priyante mokshakangshibihi.
Kriyante mokshakangshibihi.
Priyante mokshakangshibihi.
Very good. Tadityanabhisandhaya.
Tadityanabhisandhaya.
Tanvi, you have a question, beta?
Question, I just want to say something.
Yes.
Like what does moksha mean?
So moksha means moksha kangshibihi means by those who actually desire liberation. That means they want to get out of this material world.
Because
You see,
I have name moksha.
Oh yeah, moksha. Okay. Liberation, actually, it's a liberation. But there are different kinds of liberation. But this kind of liberation is actually desired by all, which is to go back to Godhead. Which is to
They want to go back
to Godhead, right?
Where they were, like if they were in
Yes.
Brahman,
They want to go back to
to
spiritual world, back to Godhead. So that is liberation. Okay, Peter? Moksha. Yes. So vividhaha. Vividhaha means various. Dana means charity. Kriyaha means activities. Kriyante means are done. So you see, 3 times this word is used. Kriyaha, kriyash, and kriyante. means activities, action. Okay, let's start. Tad ityanabhisandhaya kalam yagya tapah kriyaha दान क्रियाश्च विविधाः क्रियन्ते मोक्षकाङ्क्षिभिः. Very good. Tad ityanabhisandhaya kalam yagya tapah kriyaः दान क्रियाश्च विविधाः क्रियन्ते मोक्षकाङ्क्षिभिः. Good job. Let's go verse number 26, okay? Tadbhave sadhu bhave cha This sadbhave bhave. Now, everybody please follow me. Let's come on the same line. Okay. Sadbhave bhave. Sadbhave sadhu bhave cha Sadbhave sadhu bhave cha Sadbhave sadhu bhave cha. Are you speaking? Is Prahlad speaking? Is Balavrinda speaking? Yes, my little Krishna is speaking today.
Mataji,
Very good. Is Raghav speaking?
Mataji,
Everybody speaking? Yes.
did you already talk about like everything, like the ice cream day,
Not yet. In the end. Today I'm going to tell you all.
When is the ice cream day?
Later, I'm going to.
But ice cream day is today.
Okay. Let's after shloka I'll tell you all. Okay. Sadbhave sadhu bhave cha Kristen, we are on chapter 17, verse 26, beta. Okay. Welcome to the class.
We're on verse 27.
26.
Okay.
Yes. Sad ityetat.
Sad.
Paryujyate.
Mataji,
Not paryujyate. I'm sorry. Wait. Prayujyate. Sadbhave sadhu bhave cha ityetat prayujyate. Sad ityetat prayujyate. Sad ityetat prayujyate. Tad ityetat prayujyate. Very good. Prashaste.
प्रशस्ते
कर्मणि तथा
कर्मणि तथा
प्रशस्ते कर्मणि तथा प्रशस्ते कर्मणि तथा
Mataji.
Wait, beta, let me finish, then we'll talk. प्रशस्ते कर्मणि तथा
युञ्जता
प्रशस्ते कर्मणि तथा प्रशस्ते कर्मणि तथा तच्छब्दः तच्छब्दः तच्छब्दः
शब्दः
तच्छब्दः तच्छब्दः पार्थयुज्यते
उच्यते
पार्थयुज्यते
पार्थ उच्यते
पार्थयुज्यते
पार्थ उच्यते
पार्थयुज्यते
पार्थ उच्यते.
So, I know some kids are not speaking. I'm wondering, today I'm going to announce when is the games day, what is what. So when you all make different flavors of ice cream, you all are going to invite me at your house to come and honor some prasadam after you all offer to your deities. Yes. I can also come, right? Okay, that's a good idea. So, everybody please speak loudly, okay? These shlokas. Okay, then maybe one day I can surprise you all and come at your house, okay? And order some prasadam, okay?
But
Let's start.
Mataji is already coming to our house this weekend.
Okay, yes, I'm coming, definitely,
I'm coming
yes.
to your house this Saturday.
Yes. Okay, let's start. Prashaste, okay. Prashaste, no, sorry. Sadbhave sadhu bhave cha. Etat prayujyate. Prashaste karmani tatha.
तथा
तच्छब्दः पार्थयुज्यते
उच्यते
तच्छब्दः पार्थयुज्यते तच्छब्दः पार्थयुज्यते तच्छब्दः पार्थयुज्यते Very good. I think everybody got it. So let's go for quick repetition. Verse number 25. Yes. Verse number 25. We'll talk. After repetition, we'll talk a little bit. Yeah? Yes. Verse number 25. 1, 2, 3. Tad iti Very good. I cannot hear Prahlad. Varun, beta unmute please. Aditya, if possible, you also unmute please. Repeat after me. I mean, repeat with me. Kamagori, Monish, everybody. Balavrinda. 1, 2, 3. Krishna. Tad ityanabi Very good. 1, 2, 3.
क्रियन्ते मोक्षकाङ्क्षिभिः यजन्ते तपाभ्यः करन्ते मोक्षकाङ्क्षिभिः
Last time, everybody. Yes, who is it?
Mataji, one question.
Yes, Tarini.
So for on the second line, last word it says kriyaha, but then at the end it says we.
At the end, what does it say? At the end, what does it say?
Kriyaha, and then there's a we. Kriyaha, like something like that. Is that a typo?
No, see, when H has a dot, it becomes her. But before her is
No, look,
right?
but look, it has we here. It
I'm not
has
able
a
to
we
understand your
there.
question, but where is V? Where is V?
There's
Show
a
me.
we here.
No, I think there's a mistake, beta. It's supposed to be no. You can cancel that V. Must be a
Okay.
mistake.
There is a V.
Yeah, in Bhagavad Gita there is no V, so must be some mistake. Okay, beta, in the printout. Okay.
Okay.
Last time. Tad 1, 2, 3. Tad Very good. Verse number 26. 1, 2, 3. One, two, three. Last time. 1, 2, 3. So we all did it right together. Isn't that amazing? Right? Right? If you all were alone and even I was alone, can I do it? Can you all do it?
No.
But Srila Prabhupada says in devotee association we can definitely do it, sitting and studying the scriptures.
We all together did it because Mataji taught us really nicely.
It is only Guru Maharaj and Prabhupada's mercy that we all did it. And tomorrow is the last day of this chapter.
And then there's
Yay!
Mataji, when is the ice cream day?
So can I speak? Can I speak?
I have a question.
1 minute. Krishna, wait, I'm coming. Beta. Okay, so before you all do that, there are a lot of background noises in 1 or 2 places. So let me just mute 1 or 2 places. Okay, Krishna. 1 minute, Karina. Wait, I will wait. Okay, so Thursday we will have ice cream making day. Okay, I posted the ingredients of ice cream today in the BG Shloka WhatsApp group. Make sure you all have your ingredients by Thursday. Okay, that day do not come in the class and they say, Mataji, I do not have ingredients and I just want to sit here and cry. Don't do that. Okay, so make sure you all get the ingredients, right? In case if you don't have ingredients, definitely you can learn, you can watch, and then you can watch over, I mean, you can make it over the weekend. That's okay. But if possible, get your ingredients. And Friday, we will have a Kahoot.
Yay!
Okay.
Yay!
So Friday, we will have Kahoot. And Thursday, we will have the ice cream making class. And we'll see what else we can do. I haven't planned further yet, but when I plan, definitely I'll inform you all.
I don't know who's coming.
Okay. Soumya, 1 minute. Let me just take Krishna first. He been waiting to ask question. Yes, Krishna.
Me. It's just not a question, but I just wanted to tell that actually today is Maithili's birthday.
Oh, very nice. Thank you so much for telling us. Yes, so let's everybody wish Maithili. Can everybody sing? Yes. So let's sing happy birthday song to Maithili. Okay. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear
Maithili. Happy birthday to you.
Hey Krishna,
Bless you.
Hey Radha Rani,
Bless you.
May you serve Shri Guru and Gauranga.
Bless you.
Happy birthday, Maithili.
Hare
Cha cha cha.
Krishna.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Maithili. Happy birthday to you. Many more.
Happy birthday, Maithili.
Hari Bol. So Maithili, how old are you turning today?
9.
9. That's a big girl. Wow. So this is a very good time for you to make the ice cream, offer it to Krishna and eat it. And I'm sure your mommy must be baking a beautiful cake for you. And yeah, very good.
But we didn't.
Huh?
Anything this year.
What? Sorry?
We did not have anything this year really because COVID.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
We
Well,
could
you
have invited someone.
Wait, I couldn't hear. What? What, beta? Somebody was speaking something. I missed it.
I think Tarini was speaking, Mataji. I
Yes.
was just saying that you could have invited someone over.
Yeah, you can invite few friends over.
Yeah,
Definitely.
so last
You
year-
can have a bigger party and you can invite whole your this Bhagavad Gita Shloka group also. Okay. and everybody will be very happy to come at your birthday. Okay.
Last year I didn't have a birthday party.
Yeah, sometimes some kids do not have. It's okay because I know it's a COVID. It will go away. This time will pass by. Okay. These days will also get over.
Oh my God.
Okay. So now bas, enough.
Something I want to say.
So now we have 2 days coming, fun days coming. I want you all to send your whole chapter recording except last 2 verses every single day, even on weekends. And I'm noticing you all are not sending your recordings over the weekends, like Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Some kids are not sending. You know, that's not okay.
And
Because
so we're
see,
supposed to send our.
yes, you
Mr.
all are supposed to
Mataji.
send your 1 minute. Wait, beta, let me speak. So we all are supposed to send our recordings even over the weekend also, even though there is no class on the weekends, right? But still we are supposed to send our recordings, because otherwise these shlokas, right? So beautifully we all learn together with so much excitation and enthusiasm, but we tend to forget. You know, we'll forget if we do not send over the weekend and over the time if we don't do a little bit of revision, you know.
Mataji, I do a lot of revision.
Yeah, I know. I know you. Yes.
I did 3 chapters today.
Yes. So Garima and Balavrinda, for sure, I know they do revisions on daily basis, you know, and they revise at least 2 chapters every single day, which barely takes them 10 to 12 minutes. That's all.
We do
So
it on
please-
video call together.
Please revise your older chapters which you have been learning, and new chapters, please keep sending your recordings, and also repeat today's 2 shloka before you all go to sleep. I'll see you all tomorrow. And then, oh yeah, Garima wants to show her part. Today she painted one part for Panihati. We have a Panihati festival in the temple.
On
So,
Sunday.
yeah, you want to put it down?
Wow!
Wow.
So good. Garima, that looks 3D. Like it looks kind of 3D. Yeah.
Yeah.
Because it's on the part. Yeah. So because we in Atlanta, we have a Paniyati festival in the temple, and they will offer chida dahi, the chip rice in the pots to our beloved deities, Shri Gaurnitai, Jagannath Baldev, Subhadra Devi, and Radha Madan Mohan. And so these pots need to be painted. And because Garima is off on vacation, so she been painting these pots every day.
Yeah,
Almost whole day she sit down and paint
I
the
have
pots.
4 more pots to do. I already did 6 pots, like
Yes.
including this.
Yes. So yes, Garima, very
And
beautiful.
I also want to say today's Ruhi's birthday.
Yeah, today's Ruhi's birthday also. Yes.
Who's Ruhi?
Yes. So, she's her friend.
Yeah, from the Shloka group. She also joined.
She's her friend. It's her birthday also today.
She's
So thank you so much all for joining, and I'll see you all soon again tomorrow. And
Thank
I'll
you
see
so
you
much.
all.
Bye. Hare Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Please, yeah, make sure you all have ingredients for ice cream, and they are posted on the group. Yes.
Okay, Hare Krishna.
Yes, Soumya. You want to say something?
So cooking classes before
Soumya?
games day? Okay.
Yes, cooking classes before games day this time. Yes.
Okay.
Cooking class will be on Thursday, and Friday will be the Kahoot. So make sure you get the ingredients. You can have your own kind of flavors ready, okay, for ice cream. And make sure you invite me, okay? Okay, beta, love you all. Take care. Bye. Hare Krishna.